This is Malini and you are watching Edification. This video is about voltage. Voltage and current are part of our vocabulary in our daily life. What is voltage and how is it created? Every source of voltage is established by simply creating a separation of positive and negative charges. For example, do you remember that 29th electron in copper atom, which is ready to elope with the slightest disturbance from outside? If we separate this 29th electron from the rest of the atomic structure of copper by a dashed boundary, the region within the dashed boundary is positive because it has number of protons which is greater than the number of electrons. So this region will be positive and the region which has a single free electron will be negative. Now we have established two regions, one positive and one negative. This separation of charge to establish region of positive and negative charge is the action that occurs in every battery. There will be a high concentration of positive charge near the positive terminal of a battery and an equally high concentration of electrons on the negative terminal. Larger the required voltage, larger should be the charges involved. The charge of an electron is very small. So, we are considering a package of electrons and this package contains 6.242 into 10 power 18 electrons. The charge associated with this package is called 1 coulomb. A coulomb of positive charge will be having the same magnitude but opposite polarity. Now let's define voltage. Consider 2 points A and B such that a large positive charge is located at A and a large negative charge is located at B. We take a coulomb of negative charge near the surface of positive charge. Now we have to consider two forces under action. That is, a force of attraction between the charge at point A and the 1 coulomb charge. Similarly, a force of repulsion between the charge at point B and the 1 coulomb charge. Now what we are supposed to do is, we are going to move this 1 coulomb charge from the point A to B. So energy must be expended to overcome the repulsive force of the larger negative charge and attractive force of the larger positive charge. Suppose if 1 joule of energy is used to move the negative charge of 1 coulomb between the points A and B, then there is a difference of 1 volt between the 2 points. Similarly, if 5 joules of energy is used to move the negative charge of 1 coulomb between the points A and B, then there is a difference of 5 volt between the 2 points. So, the defining equation of voltage is V is equal to W by Q, where V is the voltage in volts, W is the work done in joules and Q is the charge in coulomb. Now we know what is voltage. Do you know why is it called as potential difference? In the same scenario, consider a point X which is midway between the points A and B. Now can you guess the amount of energy used to move that same 1 coulomb from the point A to point X? Surely it will be lesser. So, as the charge position changes, the voltage level also changes. Now what is the energy associated with the position called? S. It is called the potential energy. This is the reason why voltage is called potential or potential difference. As you know, there should be at least 2 values to find a difference. For example, the difference between the numbers 20 and 15 is 5. Similarly, voltage or potential difference exists only between 2 points. So, the voltage is always defined between 2 points or a point and a ground. Similarly, Both terminals must be connected to define the applied voltage of a battery. I hope this video gives a clear explanation on voltage. Please press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Continue watching the next video on current. See you in the next video. Thank you.